What is happening, people? Says welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, a Welsh graffiti artist, and today I'm at a home gym. So this wall is inspired by Gold's gym on Venice Beach. So what we're going to do is, over here on the left, we're going to put the pier, Santa Monica Pier here with a silhouette, and then we're going to do a like beach hut, Baywatch vibes and things like that. In the middle, we're going to do Gold's gym logo, and then over on the left, can you guess who it's going to be? Yes, you've got it. It's going to be Arnold Schwarzenegger. In his prime. We don't old man Arnie on it. We want prime Arnie, all buff and everything. So this is the design I've come up with. I'm going to show you a little snapshot of what I was given. So here is what I was given for the initial drawing, and now we've come up with something a little bit more cleaner and a little bit better, shall we say. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do is doodle grid this side. Then I haven't got the image here on my phone, but I will tell you. We're going to doodle grid this side, then use my phone to take a picture of the doodle grid, put that image into an app called Bazaart, and as you've seen before, that's how we do all our gridding. Then over on this side, I'm not going to use a doodle grid because it's only a scenery. It's just got to look like Santa Monica Pier with a beach hut. Then here we're going to put a sign saying which directions are nearest cities, I think it is, or nearest countries and things like that. So yeah, we're going to do that down this area. Then a beach hut here, so Baywatch vibes. Sorry, I'm going to burp. I'm going to do like a nice clean sunset with like teals and pinks and things like that, and it looked really funky, and then obviously had the big gold logo in the middle. So that's me jibber jabbing for 2 minutes. I'm going to crack on with painting, and I hope you guys enjoy. Got my Arnie in with the proportions of it. This bit of the face is a little bit wrong. I need to wangle it a little bit better, but I just wanted to quickly show you like little tricks and tip. So I just wanted to show you some little tricks and tips of like how you should be angling it if you're going to do portraits with spray paint. I've got a light grey and a medium grey. Then this is like a dark grey, which is like anthracite. Now, what you want to do is when you spray painting, I'm going to bring you in really close. So I'm going to do this arm back here, right? So what you're looking to do is when you're spraying, you're looking to angle the can in. So when you spray normally, you aim directly straight. So what happens is then you get like kind of a fuzzy edge either side. And by angling your wrist inwards at maybe like a 45-degree angle, you're then just cutting it in. So I'm going to bring you in really close because it's easier to see. So what I'm doing is I'm just angling my wrist inwards, and then I'm just trying to cut as close as I can to this grey line, and that's how you get that. Then the light then is like falling this way, so I'm coming in with a lighter colour, and then I'm angling in, but not too much that the spray then goes further than what I need it to. So I'm just going to lightly brush that there, and then same inside here is a little bit of grey in the side of there, and then inside of here. And what I'm going to do is then I'm just going to cut back. That it is, so this is the darker area, then it's lighter, then it comes darker again, and then on this then is where the highlight is. I'm going to then angle the can inwards, and then you get this kind of ripple effect that's in the arm. So yeah, I hope that helps in how you hold the can and how you control the can a little bit better. But what happens is when you do like a face with like a lot of detail, you just got to build it up in layers. So you're just using all the cans to your disposal, you know, light grey, dark grey and all the rest. So you're just trying to layer the colours up to make the shades that you want. So I've gone a little bit too mad there. What I'm going to do is then I'm going to bring the dark grey back and cut his nose back in. And I don't know if everybody calls it this, but I call it cutting in. So you keep cutting back, and you then get the tones that you're after. So yeah, I'm just gonna plug away at this and there's just like some little tips there on if you're interested in how to use a can. Yeah, I just got caught in that rain getting a spray can out of the van, but as I'm coming through now into where we are painting, got this lovely bit of a sunset going on in the background, and just added this big lump of blue in. Last going off, I've got to add in all the sand next, down bottom, so you can see there's all the sand going to go down there. But just want to kind of talk to you guys about how I'm painting this. So what I'm doing is, I'm picking up my phone, it's a kind of like a merge of 3 different images. So if it will focus on my phone, so there's one image, it's a message from Lisa upstairs. There's the other image, that's where I'm getting the clouds from. And the other images then are, this is the signs I'm going to be doing, so that's the kind of style that these guys want to go for. And obviously another sunset. But this Santa Monica Pier, I don't know if it's going to make it out properly, but Santa Monica Pier. And then that's all going to go up in that area. Obviously then Arnie is kind of going in quite nicely here. Goals, gym logos, there's a big circle. A lot of yellow and black. But yeah, I'm just adding in layers. As you can see, you've got like a darker layer coming into lighter. This is like browns into pinks. And then adding these pinks then into the water, and then having it all kind of merging into one image, even though that it isn't. Yeah, I'm about 2 hours in now. A lot of it was done chit-chatting with Lisa. Now I've got the base of what I'm kind of wanting it all to look like. That's how then I can decide then, if I think, oh no, that looks rubbish, then instead of painting it all the same thing, I know then this looks kind of really cool. Couple more clouds in the background there, fading off into the distance. And then that will look epic. Obviously the blue will tone down with some pinks and oranges and browns and things like that. And yeah, now I'm feeling it, I can now carry on and bring it on to the rest of the image. But all going well, I'm just going to crack on because I haven't got a lot of day left. Yeah, it's coming along really well. It's quite late now actually. It's what is it? 10 o'clock. Been at it for roughly about 8 hours. A little bit to go. Probably got another hour, hour and a half. And the main man himself, I kept him till the end because you never paint the most interesting part at the beginning. Keep it to the end so that you have something to look forward to. The rest of it looks pretty good. I would like to say so myself. Really happy. This is awesome. Real beach vibes, you know, Gold's Gym logo in the centre there. Sunset going on, you know. Pumping iron master himself, Arnold Schwarzenegger, going in now, and he is going to look awesome. I just got to make sure to get the face right first before we work on the body, because the face isn't right, we're pretty screwed. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, make sure to subscribe, and let's wrap this one up, is it? Come on, let's go. Oh, we're all done. And I am absolutely shattered. It is 12 PM and we're all done. Just got to finish, just got Arnie done, and the only thing I've got left to do is tidy this up. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this video or learned anything from any of my other videos, make sure you go and subscribe. Smash the like button on this one because it helps me out a shed load with YouTube and algorithms and all the other rubbish, and it shows your support. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.